My name is Hassan. Welcome to Techie Steps. By the way, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. Also, if you subscribe, make sure to click on the notification bell to never skip a beat with Techie Steps.
While using Google Chrome, click on the top right corner where your settings is located. Usually it's the three dots. Right now it's showing me an update arrow. You could go ahead and click on the update to actually conduct the update, but instead I'm going to go ahead and click on settings. On the left hand side, click on the hamburger menu, then click on About Chrome. Here you'll also see that I'm actually still pending the update. I could go ahead on the right hand side and click on Relaunch. Once Chrome is updated, it actually will open up Chrome again, and then you could go ahead and click on the three dots. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Settings, and then click on the hamburger menu, and click on About Chrome again. And now you can see that Google Chrome is up to date, and also the version number that's currently at.
If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And remember, when you subscribe, click on the notification bell to never miss a beat with Techie Steps.